Houston Chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Laura here back here with us today. She's coming here from the VA here in Houston, referred her over here. Today's going to be an old-fashioned chiropractic adjustment because the electricity is out in North Houston. And it's from thunderstorms we're having. So you're going to get to see me do the old-fashioned Palmer chiropractic adjustment on her today. Let's have you check your posture out first still. I can still do that. I can still see enough to do that. Let's have you flex forward and backwards. And we're going to have to climb down 20 flights of stairs here in just a few minutes. You guys came up that many, didn't you?
I came out the elevator.
Oh, you did? The elevator's still working?
Yeah.
How's that?
Scary.
Yeah, I was going to say. Okay, so you're still a little bit forward and left. Okay, so we are not going to be doing that table because none of my tables work. The electricity is completely out. So we'll go ahead and lay on your tummy here first, Laura. Still going to check her the same way we always do. Her left leg is still coming up short by about 1/2 inch. That tightens up in the low back right there. Her pelvis is out right there, I bet. That's tender, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Yep, right there too. Here, you can relax these right here. Okay, I'm going to put your head down just a little bit here. Now, just exhale. There we go. Excellent. Good job. I still got one more. There it is. Good. Okay, now I'm going to have you turn on your side and face me. This is a side posture Gonstead adjustment, which I do know how to do. Okay, there you go. Now just relax this. There it is, right there. Good girl. That was heaven, wasn't it?
Yes. It's like I'm the guinea pig.
No, oh no, I've been doing these for over 35 years. Okay, relax it. There it is. That's it, better. Okay, now let's turn you on your back. Okay. And tilt your head right a little bit. Good. Now left. Nope, let me have you. Wiggle your left big toe. There we go. Alrighty. Hang on, I'm still gonna pull your leg. Can't get out here without me pulling your leg. There you go. Should have felt that in your knee and your low back.
Yeah.
Good. Same here. There we go. Good. Okay, let's sit you up. Face that way. You better turn the light on, Joseph.
It's on.
No, it's not.
Nope.
And then it went out. It's on.
Everything's going out.
Even our batteries are down.
I thought it was. I was like, man, it's kind of dark, but it was on.
We're just using the natural light out the window here with the thunderstorm. I think electricity is out in completely in North Houston, isn't it?
I think so. I saw the light flashing on the road earlier.
The airport's probably down. Oh, yep. Good girl. Okay, come here. I'm going to show them how we do the cervical move without the instrument. Okay, let's have you close your eyes again and flex your head forward and backwards again, Laura. Yep, now neutral. Okay, so we're going to have you pull your shoulders up and back. I'm going to bring your head straight back this way and then look all the way up. Now, when you do this at home, you want to tap the atlas right underneath this occipital bone right here. And this still sends neurological, proprioceptive neurological information into the cerebellum. Okay, now relax. Now try that again, see if this feels any smoother. Take a look. Right down the middle everywhere.
Yep.
So how'd that old-fashioned chiropractic adjustment feel?
Really good, but weird compared to what you normally do.
Different than what I normally do, huh? Yep.
Real different.
Very good. So this is your Houston Chiropractor coming to you from electric debacle in North Houston. We'll see y'all soon.